We just swore in General Kelly. He will do a spectacular job, I have no doubt.
Another wave of White House chaos swept through the West Wing. Just hours after President Trump welcomed his new chief of staff, retired General John Kelly, to the White House, his recently hired and embattled communications director, Anthony Scaramucci, suddenly stepped down.
General Kelly has the full authority to operate within the White House, and all staff will report to him.
I love the president.
It was just 10 days ago when the man nicknamed the Mooch pledged to improve White House messaging and praised outgoing press secretary Sean Spicer and then chief of staff Reince Priebus.
As it relates to Sean, it speaks volumes to who he is as a human being, who he is as a team player. Okay, so his attitude is, if Anthony's coming in, let me clear the slate for Anthony, and I do appreciate that about Sean, and I love him for it. But I don't have any friction with Sean. I don't have any friction with Reince.
The following week, he went to war with Priebus, savaging the then chief of staff in a profanity-laced rant to the New Yorker, suggesting he might be the source of White House leaks.
As you know from the Italian expression, the fish stinks from the head down. But I can tell you two fish that don't stink, okay? And that's me and the president.
The White House said in a statement Mr. Scaramucci felt it was best to give Chief of Staff John Kelly a clean slate and the ability to build his own team. But sources told CNN new Chief of Staff John Kelly had lost confidence in Scaramucci. It was an immediate sign that Kelly is aiming to bring order to a White House that's been rocked by near constant staff turmoil. The president had praised Kelly as a miracle worker in his previous job as Secretary of Homeland Security.
You look at the border, you look at the tremendous results we've had, and you look at the spirit. And with a very controversial situation, there's been very little controversy, which is pretty amazing by itself. So I want to congratulate you on having done a fantastic job, General, and we look forward to, if it's possible, an even better job as Chief of Staff.
That's right, sir. But earlier in the day, the president took to Twitter to insist all is well, touting the nation's stock market and unemployment rate before insisting no White House chaos, a message echoed by Press Secretary Sarah Huckabee Sanders.
If you want to see chaos come to my house with 3 preschoolers, this doesn't hold a candle to that.
The new chief of staff will find rival factions still in place. Even with Scaramucci gone, there are still sharp elbows being thrown by strategist Steve Bannon, Counselor Kellyanne Conway, even the president's family, all competing for the president's attention. Daughter Ivanka Trump hailed Kelly in a tweet as a true American hero.
We'll see you in the boardroom.
In the president's cabinet turned boardroom, Kelly was able to observe another source of White House tension, the damaged relationship with Attorney General Jeff Sessions, who's gone from being trashed publicly by Mr. Trump last week to sitting across the room from him silently today.